Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Today we are continuing R2. We have issue 72 right here. We have some more parts, and well, this looks like a speaker of some sort. So, well, let's crack it open. Let's see what we got. And here are the parts that we get with this issue, and as expected, we have an external vent, a speaker grill, the speaker itself, and the speaker rear cover. Alright, to complete this issue, you'll need the body frame from previous issues, as well as 3 of the 6mm black screws. To begin, we're going to take this piece here, and if you look on the bottom, there's supposed to be a little arrow on here. There it is. It's a little tiny arrow, really hard to see right there, and that is supposed to be facing down, just like this, and then you slide it in place. Honestly, it looks symmetrical, so I'm not sure that it matters, but if you do look on the back side, there's a notch here, and the arrow has got to be facing towards that. Then you'll take the speaker grill here, and we're going to flip this puppy over, and that should seat itself in this fashion, nice and securely, and it does. It actually slides right in just like that. And right here in the center, we're going to take one of those 6mm black screws and drive it home. Alright, with that in place, we're going to take the speaker itself. We're going to place it so that these wires here are faced towards the rectangular part. That's probably going to be some sort of housing. It's where the cables are probably going to have to come out. Hey, what do you know? Housing. And if you take a look, there's a little notch, and that is where those cables are going to have to go through. So we slide this puppy on, just like so. Let's get it lined up properly with those cables coming out. I don't know if you can see it, but they're coming out that little slot right there. And then we got 2 6mm screws that go into each side. Alright, would you look at that? The speaker and everything is installed and looking wonderful. And that actually completes this stage. And there you have it, everyone. Stage 72 is complete. And as far as anyone else is concerned, all we did was add a little piece of exterior detail, but we know what's on the inside. If you liked the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Have a great day.